Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with a signed-in Google account. That's essential. Once that's confirmed, make sure battery saver is off and you're on Wi-Fi to avoid delays. Now open your phone's Settings app. On Android, tap Accounts or directly Google, and on iPhone, open the Google app and tap your profile. These first actions bring you to the account controls where sync lives, so don't skip verifying your account and connectivity before continuing to the sync options. Once you've opened the account page, choose the specific Google account if multiple are present. Next, you'll see a list of syncable items, toggle contacts, calendar, Drive, Chrome, Photos, and any app data you need. Enabling each item lets you control bandwidth and privacy. If you want an immediate backup, tap the Overflow menu or the three dots and select Sync Now. This forces a manual sync, so you can verify the items are syncing correctly before leaving the settings. To finish, check the last sync timestamp beside each item to confirm everything updated. If something didn't sync, make sure your account password is current and that the device has a stable network connection. Also verify app permissions for contacts and storage. If problems persist, clear the Google app cache or remove and re-add the account. This often resets sync rules. One key tip: always check that system date and time are correct, because mismatched time can block authentication and prevent sync from working.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.